Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Friday, happy Friday, and it's time for another collaboration. This time we are going to be doing rice, different types of rice. I'm going to be doing vegetable tuna rice. Rukia Laltia will be doing green grams rice. Husna Laltia will be doing jasmine rice. Stay tuned and make sure you watch all the videos. So guys, let's go straight to my video. Ingredients: you are going to need 1 can of tuna fish. You can use any type. Then on our spices, you're going to need curry powder, paprika, coriander, turmeric powder, some salt. You can add in any spice that you feel. I don't have here, but it's a spice that you like. You can add in any other spice that you like. These are mine. And over here I have different types of vegetables. You can also add in any type of vegetables that you like. I also have onions and I also have some garlic. Then over here I have cooked rice. As you can see, this rice is cooked. You can use leftover rice as well, just to make it interesting. So guys, on our first step, I'm going to be putting oil in my pan. Then next you're going to add in your onions, and you are going to cook your onions until they are translucent and a bit softer. Over here I'm adding in my garlic. That's the amount that I use, just a little bit, because I don't want it to overpower the taste of the vegetables. Then guys, you're going to cook your garlic together with your onion for some time, just about 2 minutes. And over here I'm adding in my vegetables. Then I'm going to just mix that in together with my onions and the garlic. Now I'm going to start adding in my spices. I used a half a tablespoon of salt. Not half, more like 3/4. Yeah. Then I'm just going to be mixing as I go on. The next spice I'm adding is paprika. I just used a little bit, and this is coriander powder. I used about a teaspoon of that. And just mix them to make sure they get in your vegetables really well. Then over here I'm adding in my turmeric powder, half a tablespoon. Then next I'm going to mix that in as well. And lastly, I'm going to add in my curry powder. So guys, this is just like a way of making your rice a bit interesting, adding vegetables and some tuna. I also have a video on vegetable sausage fried rice. I'm going to leave it on top there so that if you're interested, you can check it out. But make sure you finish this video first. And yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy it and you're also going to try it. It's really, really yummy. Then next guys, I'm adding in my tuna. And I drained out the oil. These cans usually come with oil inside or water. Make sure you drain whatever is inside. We don't need that part. Then guys, I'm going to be breaking my tuna just like that, because I want them into smaller pieces. I don't want it to remain with the chunks. Then over here guys, I'm going to be adding my cooked rice. Remember I said you can use leftover rice. Yeah. Then I'm just adding that in. And I'm going to mix all this so that we don't have plain white rice and we have vegetable rice. We want these vegetables to get all over our rice. And at this point, just make sure you have reduced your heat to really low heat and just mix well. So guys, don't forget to check my description box for the links of the other types of rice, and I'm sure you're going to learn a lot and you're going to enjoy all this. So yeah guys, this is a really simple meal and it's really quick. Just took me about 10 minutes and you're going to be done. It's like a quick fix, you know, for your leftover rice. So guys, after you're done mixing everything together like that, you're going to switch off your gas and your food is ready. And this is what I turned out with. This is really yummy. I promise you guys, you have to try this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It's totally free guys. Also like, it really supports my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll leave that up there. See you in the next one guys. Bye.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?